Okay, there's little girl. She's on my microphone stand. She's all ready to curl up and go nighty nights. Supposed to have a bit of newspaper down on the ground below them because they tend to do a few poos in the middle of the night. So order in because it's going to be cold again, so she can sit on that microphone stand all night. She goes to sleep quite happily. She's happy. Been there before. Probably this is the second night I've put her there, but it should have been 3 nights actually because she's a bit frail. We're all frail, you see. This one would have died. She'd be dead. She would have died a couple of nights ago. But you see, you can save them. Normally the weak ones die, but we're all weak, see. None of us are strong compared to the universe, compared to the massive, awesome creation. We've all got our little issues, we've all got problems. We're all weak. It's only God that can make us strong. God looks after the little sparrows, not one drops to the ground without his knowledge. So, there's my little tribute to Queensland, a little good deed. Look after God's creatures. Little baby creatures. Give them an opportunity to have a bit of life. Get out there and grab a worm and all the stuff. This one here is going to get out there when it's feathered up a little bit more and she'll be off. So have babies of her own. And bit of life. It's a bit of life. This is Hammer 88. Signing off for the night.